Imagine writing a sentence and watching it turn into a movie. Not in months of production, but seconds. This is Sora 2, OpenAI's secretive video AI, and it might change how every story on Earth is told. When OpenAI unveiled Sora 2, the internet didn't know what to think. At first glance, it looked like another text-to-video experiment, but the output was unlike anything before. Instead of shaky, surreal clips, Sora 2 generated cinematic realism that felt filmed by a human. For the first time, artificial intelligence understood not just images, but motion, lighting, and emotion. In one clip, a camera smoothly tracked a woman walking through a Tokyo alleyway at night. The rain, the reflections, even the subtle breathing in the frame, all completely synthetic. Sora 2 is built on diffusion models, the same principle used in image generation, but applied over time. It doesn't create static frames. It predicts how every pixel should evolve from one moment to the next. Each scene becomes a dynamic simulation of physics, light, and space. Researchers call this spatiotemporal understanding. It's what allows Sora 2 to simulate realistic motion blur, depth of field, and camera perspective. In simple terms, it's like teaching an AI not just how to paint, but how to film. Traditional video models struggled because they lacked temporal consistency. Objects would morph, faces would drift, and shadows behaved unnaturally. Sora 2 solves this by using a transformer-based video engine, the same kind of architecture that powers ChatGPT. But instead of words, it predicts frames. By training on millions of real video sequences, it learned the rhythm of reality. That's why its clips feel so human, because the AI literally learned from the physics of the world. Here's where things get interesting. You can't use Sora 2 unless you were invited. OpenAI quietly released it to a handful of researchers, artists, and internal developers. No public beta, no sign-up page, no free trials. This secrecy has fueled a frenzy online. Searches for Sora 2 invite code exploded past 600,000 last month. Dozens of people claim to have access, but most of the videos you see come from the same verified insiders. It's a strange paradox, an AI powerful enough to revolutionize media, yet locked behind closed doors. And that exclusivity only amplifies the myth. Despite limited access, the internet is already filled with Sora 2 creations. Some clips look like Hollywood productions. Others mimic anime or surreal dreamscapes. There are even full short films generated entirely from prompts like "a man walking across Mars." What's striking is the diversity of style. Sora doesn't just copy cinematic realism. It can blend painterly aesthetics, 2D animation, and photoreal environments in a single scene. In other words, it's not just a video generator, it's a universal visual engine. For creators, Sora 2 could eliminate traditional production barriers. No cameras, no crews, no post-production, just text. The democratization of cinema might finally be real, but it also raises profound questions. If AI can generate perfect video, what happens to truth, creativity, or ownership? Who gets credit when the director is an algorithm? Analysts are already calling Sora 2 the iPhone moment for video AI. OpenAI's partnership with Jony Ive, the man who designed the iPhone, signals something bigger, hardware built around generative creativity. Imagine a handheld device that turns your spoken idea into an entire film. Competitors like Google and Runway are scrambling to catch up. But the truth is, no one's seen anything this capable before. Even filmmakers admit, Sora 2 looks like the future of storytelling. Sora 2 isn't just another AI tool. It's a new language of creation. One that replaces lenses, scripts, and edits with imagination itself. The question now isn't if this will change everything, it's how soon. If you could describe a movie and watch it appear instantly, what would you create first? Share your thoughts below. Because in the world of Sora 2, your imagination might be the next director,